Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Wow! Make sure to hit that subscribe button!
Have you ever bumped your head? Ouch, right? Well, woodpeckers bang their heads against trees 20 times every single second. So why don't they get a massive headache or get super dizzy? It's all about surviving the force. When a woodpecker pecks, it feels a force 1,000 times stronger than gravity. That's like hitting a wall at 15 miles per hour, face first, over and over again. Their secret starts with a super smart beak. The lower part of the beak is actually stronger than the top part, and it bends just a tiny bit to absorb the shock, kind of like the shock absorbers on a mountain bike. Inside their head, they have a natural bicycle helmet. Their skull isn't solid bone everywhere. The front part has spongy, air-filled pockets that squish down to cushion the brain. It's like wrapping their brain in bubble wrap. Here is the weirdest and coolest fact. Their tongue is super long and wraps all the way around the back of their skull. It acts like a safety belt, holding the brain tight so it doesn't shake around.
Also, their brain fits inside their skull perfectly tight. Human brains float in fluid, which can slosh around, but a woodpecker's brain is packed snug as a bug, so it doesn't bounce against the skull walls.
They even have built-in safety goggles. A tiny moment before they hit the tree, a thick extra eyelid closes to keep their eyeballs safe from flying wood chips and stop them from popping out due to the pressure. With a spongy helmet, a shock-absorbing beak, and a tongue seat belt, woodpeckers are totally crash-proof. They are nature's very own engineering marvels, pecking away without ever getting a dizzy spell.